or less. All right, so I'm going to show you how to get warmed up. This is a great way. This video is for my mama friend who, actually, you can do this anywhere. You can take this ball anywhere and do this exercise anyway, but when I'm your mama friend doing the exercises at home, and so thanks for joining me if you're at home doing the exercises. If you're a mama friend too, don't forget to let me know that. I love connecting with it. So we're just going to get started with a little bit of bouncing here. So say hi, tell me you're here. Let me know a little bit about your journey. We're warming up. We're just warming up our muscles. We're going to bounce a little bit so we can feel that heat building up in the back of our throat when we're breathing. That's how you know that heart rate is getting elevated. You're getting warmed up. Yeah. Hey, thanks for being here today. I appreciate it. We're going to get fit together. It is nothing extreme. It is consistency. It is choosing you. And hey, if you love what you do, you'll do it a lot longer, which means you'll get better success and it'll last. That's important, friends. So I hope you're finding something that you love to do. Maybe you need some ideas, and that's what I'm here for. So shout me out. Let me know. What are some things you love to do? Maybe I can help you get your form together. Maybe I could encourage you a little bit around that. Maybe we could do the things together and get a whole lot farther, faster. I see it all of the time. All right, here we go. We've been bouncing a couple minutes now. We're going to tilt our hips forward and back just to warm up that lower midsection there. Nothing extreme, just nice and fun. It feels good. Your whole upper body is staying nice and still. Your lower body, you want your feet planted. I like to put my weight in my heels. It just helps me to stay at a 90-degree angle the best that I can. And if you know, you know, angles are important. Form is important. We're not using weights today. We're working up to that. We're working up to that. Hey, did you catch me walking? I did a walking video yesterday, so shout me out. Did you like it? We're going to be up in the game, doing some different things, showing you a few different ideas, ways to get your body moving, because like I said, if you love it, it'll be easy to do every single day. It doesn't have to be anything extreme. It doesn't have to be very long. Consistency wins every single time. Hey, thanks for joining. I'm so glad you're here over there on the TikTok world. I'm glad to have you. This video will be uploaded in all of the places on Get Fit with Nona everywhere. So shout me out. Let's get connected. We're going to move our hips side to side now. And you bring your arms up. Anytime you've got your arms up in guard, I'm gonna ask you, try to keep that 90-degree angle going. And you're going to protect your face. Just a good practice, right? And don't you know when you got your arms up like this, you're burning extra calories. And if you know me, you know I don't really care about burning the calories, but all movement works. All muscle building is important, and this is going to help you more than you even know. So keep your arms up close to your face so you're protecting yourself. Shalene likes to say cell phone, home phone kind of thing, but you know, we're not there. Here we go, side to side. All right, we've been going forward, back, side to side. We did some bouncing. Our hips are nice and warmed up. So let's do a nice big circle. Nice big circle on your ball. And what I love about this is you could trade out your office chair for one of these balls at work. And you can take 2 minutes out of your day anytime you start to feel a little bit tired and do a little exercise snack. An exercise snack, I love that concept, is a way for you to gain some energy by doing something. It doesn't have to be really big, intense, but it can be. All you need is a few minutes. All right, let's get back to bouncing. And hey, if you had some weights, if you were ready to up your game, you could absolutely do that today. We're going to just use our own body weight because, well, when you're using your own body weight, you're still lifting. And I don't know about you, but I got some lift, and so do you. So we got something to do. All right, so get your arms up. Yeah, those wings. We're going to get rid of those wings. Here we go. In and out. Just gonna go in and out. We're gonna bounce lightly. Like I said, this makes a good exercise snack. You could do it anytime throughout the day or follow along with this routine. You'll get a nice little burn. We're not gonna be too intense. It's not gonna be too long, so it'll be easy to fit into your day. Hey, by the way, if you haven't shared it out, I would love that. Because not only are you gonna get some help, but I'm gonna get to help some other people, and I can't wait for that. So thanks so much in advance for sharing it out, for dropping some comments. Let me know, what questions do you have about my journey? Or what questions do you have about your journey? I say it all the time, we'll get so much farther, so much faster when we partner together. All right, you're feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm glad you're here today, choosing you. It's a choice. You don't have to do it. Nobody's gonna get any benefit but you. So, oh wait, and me too. So thanks for playing it with me. I appreciate your support. All right. Hey, I'm That Fit Mom. I've been a yo-yo dieter for a long time. I was starting on my health journey, really getting great progress about 5 years ago. A little, yes, less than a year in, 100 pounds down. Right before I turned 40, like days after I turned 40, actually, I had a baby. So, yep, that's me. She's not a baby no more. She's about to be 4 in 4 months. We got some time. So, you do the math. All right, here we go. We got our arms. We're going to swing them up, forward, and back. Keep bouncing on that ball. It's going to help your heart rate stay elevated. Nothing too intense. Easy for my friends who have a hard time standing up. And if it's too much, slow down. You don't have to go fast. You don't have to stay at my pace. Just keep moving. Your body, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter about the weight you're lifting. It just matters that you're moving. So even if you don't like this move, do something else. This one is intense, so do this one. Or maybe you can do this one. All movement matters, so it doesn't matter what you're doing, as long as you stay moving the whole time. And hey, if you need a little bit of a break, been there, done that, go ahead and listen to your body, because you'll come back faster and you'll finish if you just slow down when you need to. It's okay. Let's do this. Thank you for the kind comments in there. Thanks for sharing this video out. Thanks for subscribing to the channel, getting connected with me. Here we are. We're doing the thing. All right. We've been at this for a while, and maybe you don't have a cool watch like I do that tells you how long it is, but it's not 15 minutes yet, so let's keep moving. All right, here we go. We're gonna take a minute with our arms and just lay them back around our, support your bum so that you can keep nice and balanced. We're just gonna lift one leg at a time. It's not easy for you to see. I don't have a ton of room. Lots of weights back there. But you're gonna lift your leg one at a time, holding the ball still, trying not to rock. This is good for your hips. It's gonna be good for your legs. Your core, of course, is always engaged when you're using this ball. So like I said, this is a way to trade out something that you do all the time sitting at a desk, maybe in front of the TV. Instead of just sitting there, grab yourself a ball. Get moving. Get in shape with me. We're doing the things. Hey, I'm so glad you're here with me today. Go ahead and move your legs in and out, one side at a time. Yeah. Super easy, low intensity. Anyone can do this. Maybe you don't have a ball at home, and that's okay. Get yourself a chair. You could just sit on the chair and get your legs back and forth. Get started anywhere. Just get started. All right, so maybe you need some encouragement. That's where I come in. Make sure we're connected so that I can help you and so you can help me too. Because like I say it all the time, farther, faster when we run together. All right. Thanks for being here today. We got a little bit of a workout in, just less than 15 minutes, but it was a good one. Got nice and breathy in the back of my throat, which means I know my heart rate is up. And like I say all the time, you don't have to spend all that time in the gym. You don't have to do anything extreme. You just have to show up every day. And like I say, when you love what you do, it's easy to show up. All right. Thanks for being here. Cool, guys. Thanks so much for that. I had so much fun getting that done with you all. Let's see what's going on in here. We got some comments. Bring my ball in here. Just keep bouncing, bouncing. Hey, I appreciate you being here. Thanks so much. Did you share this video out? I'm looking to help encourage the mama friends. Like I said, we were surprised with an amazing baby. And so I'm doing all the postpartum stuff. It's been a while already, but we're here doing the things. And so getting connected. There we go. Let's see. Who do we have here today? Thanks for being here. You don't need gym sneakers at home, baby. That's one thing I love about doing those home workouts. Nobody here to judge. Nobody here to explain to or any of that stuff. It's just you and me, baby. And if you're here, I'm just here. Glad you're here with me. All right. Here we go. Always tilted to the side. Happy Thursday to you. It's a good day to have a good day. I'm so grateful that you joined me today. If you missed today's workout, that's okay. We'll be back. Hey, I'm going to do this. I'm not going to try. I'm going to do this every day. I'm going to try to make it at the same time every day.